YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here and you enjoy content like this, maybe consider hitting subscribe. I got a new Govee product today. This is gonna be the Govee Glide Music Edition. This is made for like the music lovers, and it honestly reminds me of an equalizer. If you're into audio production, you probably know what equalizer is. It's basically a Govee Glide, but instead of an L-shaped version, there are 7 30-inch long beams. So of course this kit is gonna work with your smart assistants like Google and Amazon. It also features 16 music sync modes, 40 unique scenes, and a DIY mode. Today we're gonna be unboxing it, reviewing it. I'm gonna tell you guys everything you need to know about it. At any point in this video, if you're interested to check it out, links are down in the description. Let's go ahead and get inside of this box because we got a lot to talk about. Let's go. Inside the box, you're gonna get 14 beams. You get an A and a B. The basic difference is one of them has this little pointy part at the top. You also get your control box right here. There's 3M, so you can stick the control box to the wall. You got a power button here. Looks like a microphone for music sync modes. And it's like this string right here, which is gonna be your 7 different segments that you clip on with the Govee Glide lights. Next, you're gonna get your user manual and your Govee card. You also get this little mini leveler, which is kind of cool. So that way you can make sure that your beams are leveled on the wall. Then you're gonna get your operation ruler and positioning card. And you basically just use this to help you mount this on your wall. You also get some extra 3M. First impressions of this, these feel really light, whatever that means. One thing that I do notice off the rip, when both of these connected, you can tell where they are connected because it's white and then it goes to clear. So this is the controller right here, and the distance between each of the beams is gonna be 4 inches. With that being said, I'm about to go ahead and figure out a way of how to attach this to the grass wall. There's already 3M sticky on all of the beams. You pretty much connect the A segment to the B segment, and there's a connection right here which slides that in. Controller part goes on the other end like so. I wish that this was longer than 4 inches apart. I did see online of some other ideas of mounting these besides just straight up. It is pretty limiting if you ask me when it comes to designing. I am gonna attach mine to the grass wall. I'm not sure how much I'm digging it. It's not perfected, but I do want to get through with this video. At this point, you should probably have the Govee app. You're gonna hit the plus. You're gonna hit the Bluetooth button. So now it's searching for devices nearby, and I can see my device right here, which is the H610B. I'm just gonna leave it what the name is. Connecting to the Wi-Fi, of course we're gonna do that. And now it's asking about the position, and mine's is the opposite way. And it's prompting us to do an upgrade, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. First thing inside the app, you got your settings, and you can find things in here like how to recalibrate your Wi-Fi, connect to voice assistant. You have the effect lab, which basically gives you all the colors that you can possibly think of. Ooh, I like that. That's a vibe right there. I see a snapshot list, but it's telling me the firmware is too low. And that's funny because I just upgraded the firmware. Moving along, you got your brightness right here. So that's 15%. This is 53%, and this is pretty bright. That's probably where I'll probably keep it. So coming down, you have your color section. And as you can see, I have 14 different segments that I can choose from to change them different colors. So if I just select a few of these and then I hit red, you can see it made it change red. So there is a gradient function here. That looks kind of fire to me, the way it blends. If I select all, I can change them all back to a solid color like so. You have other options to choose color with the color picker. You got your warm white. I think the white colors are decent. Typically in the scene mode, I'm just gonna play some music and then I'm gonna scroll through a few of my favorite scenes so you can see it in action. Let's go. Inside the app now, I can actually adjust the speed of each scene. So I can make this scene go slow, or I can make it go super fast. All right, so now the moment we all been waiting for, which is gonna be the music sync function. We're already inside of the music mode. As you can see, the lights are reacting to my voice. So at the top, you can choose between having it activate through your device or the LEDs. So right now I have it picked on the LEDs. I have the sensitivity on high. You got 16 different music sync modes right here at your fingertips. I'm gonna play some music from my HomePod over there. I'm gonna just click through the different music modes and then I'll let you know what I think about it. Let's go. Music modes are awesome with this device with the ability to adjust things like the sensitivity. In each music mode, you can also adjust things like the colors, the direction of the lights, and other parameters. The Govee Glide music modes feel well thought out in my opinion. And finally, you can adjust things like each speed of all of the different scenes inside of this app. I really like this product because it's something a little bit different. Instead of you just getting one beam where you can design it different ways, this comes with a total of 7 pros and cons. Let's start off with the cons. Con number 1 is the distance between each beam piece. Like I stated before, you only get about 4 to 5 inches between each of the connecting points. You can only pretty much set this up in 3 different styles, either like straight up and down, side to side, or you can make like a circle design. For the pros, this is a really good device because it's super bright. I think you're getting a lot of bang for buck. The price for this is gonna be $179. So you probably already seen this coming, but my first pro is that you can finally adjust the speed of each of the scene modes. And thank you for that, Govee. Please do it on all the other devices. The one limitation that I did notice as well is when you use the Dream View technology, this only does a static color. Another pro for me is Govee have been around for a little while now, and as you can see, they continue to grow their product line. I think Govee is a great ecosystem to use if you had to choose any brand for like smart lighting. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it on the grass wall, but for right now, I'm really digging the vibes that it's putting out. With all that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave your boy the big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I mean, come on. If you're still watching by now, you ain't subscribed, what you doing? Thank you for watching. I'm gonna holla at y'all next week in my next video. Deuces.